I'm James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, the 13th day of May. It's going to feel more like the 13th day of June or maybe even July out there today as this upper ridge provides summer-like weather. Let's take a look. Skycam shots around the network at 5 o'clock. That's Birmingham looking north from the top of the Daniel building. The sky mostly fair, pretty muggy out with dew points well up in the 60s this morning. There's a look at the lights of the city of Gadsden. And by golly, on the trustful Skycam, evidence of daylight at 5 a.m. How about that? You know, we are just about a month away from the summer solstice. That'll be the day with the most daylight of the year, and then we begin to get the shorter days as we head down the stretch on the backside of this year. Here's a water vapor satellite shot. Trough out west, producing very active weather. Plain states up to the Great Lakes, but around here, that ridge is locked in. It'll keep us high and dry today. Look at all the active weather to the west. Severe weather watches, flash flood watches, all the way from Texas up to Michigan and parts of Indiana and northwest Ohio. Here's one of the severe weather boxes this morning. That's in effect until 8 o'clock this morning for a big bow echo. Nasty-looking thing about to blow through Tulsa, Oklahoma. That watch includes places like Fort Smith and Fayetteville, Arkansas, and Springfield, Missouri. But again, all of that will bypass Alabama to the north. The risk today of severe weather will be up north. Places like St. Louis and Indianapolis, Cleveland, Detroit. Tomorrow, got a couple of slight risk areas, one over West Texas and one just north of here. It includes much of eastern Tennessee and points east as that front slowly drifts south. And then on day 3, a slight risk over parts of west and southwest Texas. Rain for the next 5 days. This is valid through Monday evening at 7 o'clock. And you can see pretty amazing how the rain varies from about 1 inch around the shoals to nothing from Montgomery down to Troy and Dothan. And the real heavy rain continues well to the north and west. This is the OZGFS, the Global Forecast System, one of our primary computer models. And you can see, and this, by the way, is valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow at 500 millibars. That old 588 ridge just going nowhere. I say tomorrow. This is actually today at 1 o'clock. The ridge goes nowhere, shortwave way north, and around here warm and dry. Highs between 87 and 90. With those high humidity values, it's going to feel just like a midsummer day. Tomorrow, though, the front begins to drift south. And you can see that it looks like we'll certainly need to mention at least the chance of a few showers tomorrow afternoon, especially north of Birmingham. Maybe some thunder involved. Again, no all-day rain. Just be aware that for the northern third, fairly decent chance of a shower or storm in the afternoon. And then Saturday, you can see how the ridge is suppressed. And that will allow that front to drift a little farther south. And that the front kind of stalls out near the Alabama-Tennessee border. So Saturday looks like a day that will be warm, muggy, cloudy at times, and a chance of scattered showers and storms. So if you got something outdoors, just be aware that it could rain at times. We don't think it will rain all day. We don't think the rain will be all that heavy, just like a summer-type day. And then Sunday, the same thing. The front goes nowhere. And inevitably, we'll see a few scattered showers around here Sunday, possibly some thunder. And then Monday of next week, some shortwave energy approaches from the west, and we think that will bring an increase in the number of showers and storms on Monday. That probably should offer the better coverage of rain. And then Tuesday, as the shortwave moves east, dry air begins to move back in here. And that's probably the right. I think what we need to do in the forecast is highlight a good chance of showers and storms Monday. And then Tuesday, maybe becoming partly sunny and a little less humid. Wednesday of next week looks dry. And a week from today, Thursday of next week, looks dry with warm afternoons. We'll check the end of the forecast on the 28th of May. And again, the core of the jet, the westerlies, the stronger winds aloft are up on the Canadian border. A very weak northwest flow aloft, and that looks rather benign. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.